learning the reverse blanket stitch. You have to chain a multiple of 4. For this swatch, I've chained 20. You do a double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. The one on the hook does not count. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. Single in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and the next one do 2 doubles. Chain 2, and in the next stitch put a single. Okay. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and the next one put 2 doubles. Chain 2, and the next stitch put a single. Okay. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and the next one put 2 doubles. Chain 2, and in the next stitch put a single. Skip 2 chains, and the next one put a double, 2 doubles, sorry, 2 doubles. Chain 2, and in the last stitch put a single crochet. Oops, my yarn split there a little bit. Let me try that again. In the last one put a single crochet. Okay, and you're at the end of the setup row. The second row is going to be your repeat row. You'll repeat that all the way to the end of the project. So, chain 2, turn your work. Now, this is the chain 2 from the first row. This chain 2 right here. See, this is your set of double crochet, chain 2, single. In that chain space, you're going to put 2 doubles, chain 2, and a single, all in that chain 2 space from the previous row. Then you're going to skip over all these next 3 stitches. You're going to skip over this, 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 till you get to the next chain 2 space of the previous row. Then you do the same thing. 2 doubles, 2 doubles, chain 2, and a single, all in that chain 2 space from the previous row. I'll tell you what, I can't seem to get any yarn that won't hang up on itself today. I'm trying to use scrap yarn from years ago. Alright, so then the next thing you do is find the next chain 2 space. So you skip that, and you're at the chain 2 space. 2 doubles, chain 2, and a single. Find the next chain 2 space, you skip, 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 and there you are. There's the chain 2 space from the previous row right past that single. Chain 2, single, all in that one chain 2 space, and you skip all these and you get the last chain 2 space. Do the same thing in this last chain 2 space, double, double, chain 2, and a single, all in that space. Losing here, all in that space, and chain 2, and you'll turn and do the same exact thing, and that is your repeat row. That is your repeat all along. 2 doubles, chain 2, single, all in the chain 2 space from the previous row, and you do it until you get it as large as you want it. That's the reverse blanket stitch. It's really easy. And it's called reverse blanket stitch because our blanket stitch is a single, chain 2, 2 doubles. So it's just the opposite. So here you go. There you go, right there. It's pretty easy, huh?